Good trying. Oh, good job. Yes, just a good job. You're almost there. Put an enticing toy by you. Can you go get it? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. You can do it, Harper. Good job, honey. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Oh, it's so hard, I know. It's so hard. It's so hard. We're rocking. We're rocking up on our knees, but we don't know where to go. And then we're down. And then we're backwards. And then we're mad about it. Oh. Splashes.
Oh.
Do your splish splashes.
Oh, Larry. See right in Larry's living room.
Go, Harper, go!
TV.
Go, Harper, go!
Splashy, 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 splashy. Let me tell Harper to splash. That's okay. You're going in the tub anyway.
I've got the water in the toilet.
Oh, that would be a tragedy.
Are you splashing, Harper? Oh, I'm sorry. Is there a doggy there? I'm busy. You dancing with it? You dancing with that doggy? Bye bye, doggy. Look at that girl make it bark. I'm gonna put that doggy down. Bye bye, doggy. Bye bye, froggy. Oh no, where'd they go? Where's all our animals? Where are they? Oh, hello, froggy. Oh. You did it. Yes, you did. You're showing Mama all your animals? Bye bye to that doggy. And put him away. Say night, doggy. Where'd he go? Where's that doggy? Where's that doggy? It's getting a little far for you. And my tongue's out. Because I'm pretty cute. No. Hey, my babies. Is you dancing? You are a dancing baby. Where's that doggy? You did it. Such concentration. I'm very busy about that doggy. Dancing! Do, 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 do. You've got that doggy. Oh dear, what's this concentration all about? What's this all about?